Okay, let's take a look at how to add coupon codes to the website. Let's take a look at the message that was sent. Hi, this is Steve from Steve's Bike. Can you make a promo code fresh for 10%? Discount expires on 3/31. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So again, the first step is, of course, you go to your website and then log into the dashboard. If you don't know how to log in, there's another video for that. So you can search on YouTube, Smart Online Order, login, and it'll tell you how to do that. But anyhow, let's get right to it. So we got the dashboard here, and then we're going to go ahead and go to coupon codes. So it's right here, and then press coupons. Once you press coupons, and then what you would do is you press add coupon right here. Okay, and then once you do that, the next step is pretty straightforward. You put the coupon code. So the coupon name, this is what's going to appear on the receipt. So we'll just call it online special. And then the code, of course, let's see what it says here. Fresh, right? Fresh, 10% off. Okay, so we're going to go to percentage, 10, minimum amount. No minimum amount was given, so it'll be 10% off the subtotal. Starting date, we'll have it today. Expiration date, let's see, 3/31. March 31st, okay? And then unlimited, so you want to put, it's better to put unlimited unless you only want the first 100 customers to use it. You could put 100, but 0 is for unlimited because it will expire on this date, so might as well just put unlimited. If you're having expire end of the year, but you only want the first 500 customers to use it, then you could put 500, and then you could put end of the year. But for now, I'm going to put unlimited. And let's go ahead and add the coupon code. Coupon was added, okay? And then so now next step is to make sure the coupon looks good. Online special, fresh, 10% off, expires 3/31/2019. And then of course you want to double check to make sure the coupon is enabled on the checkout settings. So the next step is pretty straightforward here. You go to checkout settings, and then go to coupons, and then put enabled right here. Okay, now after this point forward, you don't have to put enabled again because it's enabled from now on. So you just go here and then create a coupon. Okay, so if you make another coupon, from now on, just go from here or from here. Okay, and that's how you make your coupons. All right, thank you for your time.